Ever bought a tool on Amazon that looked like a complete lifesaver only to realize it was made of hopes, dreams, and cheap plastic? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're ditching the junk. I've hunted down 30 absolute genius tools on Amazon that are going to save you time, money, and a whole lot of profanity in the workshop. From heavy-duty problem solvers to tiny gadgets you didn't know you desperately needed, we aren't wasting a single second. Let's get right into it. First up, if you're still tossing out your sanding belts the second they get clogged with wood, pitch, and gunk, you're literally throwing money in the trash. Meet the PowerTech Abrasive Cleaning Stick. It looks like a giant rubber eraser, and honestly, that's exactly what it is for your sandpaper. Just run this bad boy against your moving belt or disc sander, and it grabs all the sawdust and grime right out of the grit in seconds. It brings your abrasives back from the dead, making them cut like they're fresh out of the box. For just a few bucks, this thing pays for itself before lunch. Next, let's talk precision. A standard carpenter's pencil is great until you need a joint that's actually tight. The Rui Tool marking knife is the secret weapon for next-level accuracy. With its flat back and dual bevel design, you can lay it perfectly flush against your straight edge or square. It slices a razor-thin line directly into the wood fibers, giving your chisel or saw blade a physical groove to lock into. Stop guessing which side of the pencil line you need to cut. This piece of high-carbon steel takes your woodworking from good enough to dead-on perfect. Alright, moving from the shop to the house. There is nothing worse than a backed-up sink, except maybe paying a plumber $150 just to show up. Skip the toxic liquid chemicals that eat away at your pipes and grab a heavy-duty drain snake. Just feed the steel cable down the P-trap, crank the handle, and prepare to be absolutely disgusted by the hair monster you pull out. It's nasty, it's incredibly satisfying, and it fixes the problem in under 5 minutes. Keep one under the sink, and you'll never panic over a slow drain again.
Moving on, let's talk about power. You know that moment when you're driving a massive lag screw and your drill decides it's just going to snap your wrist instead? Enter the DeWalt Impact Driver. This is the gold standard for a reason. Unlike a standard drill that just spins, this uses an anvil and hammer mechanism to deliver high-torque rotational hits. Whether you're framing a deck or just hanging a heavy-duty shelf, it sinks screws like they're going into butter. Once you feel the raw power of this impact driver, you'll never go back to a standard drill for fastening again. Next, let's talk about everyone's least favorite chore, chopping wood. If you're still swinging a heavy maul for hours, you're doing it the hard way. The Firewood splitter is an absolute game changer. It's essentially a static wedge with a safety collar that lets you place a log inside and strike it with a hammer or another log. It keeps your hands far away from the blade and focuses all that energy into a perfect, clean split. It's efficient, it's safe, and it makes processing a full cord of firewood feel like a casual weekend workout rather than a grueling labor. Finally, for this round, we have the ultimate I'm having a bad day tool, the extraction socket set. We've all been there. A bolt head rounds off and suddenly you're stuck with a project that's going nowhere. These sockets have specialized hardened spiral flutes that bite into the rounded head of any stripped bolt, nut, or stud. The harder you turn, the deeper they bite. You'll feel that satisfying clunk when it catches, and suddenly that seized up mess of a fastener is coming out like it's brand new. It's the kind of tool that saves your project and your sanity on a Sunday afternoon.
Ever felt like you needed a third hand while working in a tight spot? The Fix-It sticks are a genius take on the standard multi-tool. These aren't your typical pocket knives. They're modular T-handle driver systems that let you reach into places that even a stubby screwdriver can't touch. Because they break down into small magnetic components, you can configure them for almost any tight angle or low clearance situation. If you work on tight machinery or vehicles, having a set of these in your kit is like having a secret weapon against inaccessible bolts. Then we've got the Klein Tools Circuit Breaker Finder. Look, stop playing the guessing game at your electrical panel. We've all spent time flipping switches, running to a room, checking a light, and running back. This tool is a two-piece system. You plug the transmitter into the outlet, go to the panel, and scan the breakers with the receiver. It chirps and lights up when it locks on to the exact circuit controlling that outlet. No more oops moments and no more guessing which breaker needs to be cut before you start a project. It's pure peace of mind. Let's keep the momentum rolling. Next up, the classic Irwin vice grips. If you've been doing DIY for more than 5 minutes, you know these are the original locking pliers for a reason. Whether you're dealing with a stripped screw, holding 2 pieces of steel together for welding, or just need a grip so tight it feels like a hydraulic press, nothing else compares to the release trigger mechanism on these. They're built like a tank, and they'll outlast every other pair of pliers in your drawer. Every shop needs at least 3 different sizes. Moving on to the cabinet installation kit. If you've ever tried to hang upper cabinets solo, you know it's a recipe for back pain and chipped veneers. This kit is essentially a pair of adjustable, height-calibrated supports that hold the cabinet perfectly level for you while you drive your mounting screws. It's the closest thing to having a professional contractor standing there helping you out. Once you use these, you'll realize that hanging cabinets doesn't actually have to be a 2-person struggle. It's precision simplified. Third in this set, we've got the Lumberjack cutters. These are not your average wire snips. These are heavy-duty, high-leverage cutters designed to bite through materials that would normally leave you reaching for a hacksaw. From thick-gauge fencing wire to hardened bolts, the compound action gives you incredible mechanical advantage. They're built to withstand the kind of abuse that snaps lesser tools in half. If you're working with rough materials and need a clean cut without the sweat, keep these in your back pocket. Next, for anyone dealing with exterior decks, let's talk about the Trex OneStep tool. If you've ever installed deck boards, you know that keeping your spacing perfectly consistent while trying to drive screws is an absolute nightmare. This tool does the heavy lifting for you. It automatically sets the gap and helps align the boards, ensuring that your finished deck looks like it was laid by a master carpenter. It turns a tedious, back-breaking job into a smooth, one-and-done process. Moving into the garden, we have the Fiskars Quick Drill. Forget the old-school manual post-hole diggers that leave your shoulders burning after 3 minutes. This auger-style drill uses a sharp, angled blade design that cuts into the earth with every rotation. Whether you're planting trees, setting fence posts, or prepping bulbs, it's remarkably efficient. You just press down, turn, and pull out a perfect cylinder of dirt. It's ergonomic, fast, and honestly, it makes landscaping work feel way less like a chore. Finally, for this set, we have parallel jaw clamps. If you're into woodworking, stop using those cheap, wobbly spring clamps that never seem to hold perfectly square. These parallel clamps exert even pressure across the entire surface of the jaw, ensuring your glue-ups are tight and, more importantly, perfectly flush. They don't flex, they don't slip, and they give you that rock-solid foundation you need for high-end furniture builds. Once you switch to these, you'll never look at a standard clamp the same way again. Next, we're getting into some serious power. The electric hydraulic rebar cutter is one of those tools that feels like it shouldn't be legal. If you've ever tried to cut thick rebar with an angle grinder, you know the drill. Sparks flying everywhere, smoke, and way too much noise. This beast just slides over the rebar and with a quick pull of the trigger, slices through it like it's warm butter. It's quiet, it's clean, and it's fast. If you're doing any concrete work, this saves you an hour of struggle for every 10 minutes of use. Then, for those of you who need to dig but don't have space for a massive tractor, check out this mini trencher. This thing is the definition of work smarter, not harder. It's compact enough to maneuver through tight backyard spaces, but powerful enough to chew through roots and tough soil to lay down irrigation lines or electrical conduit. It turns a job that would take you an entire weekend with a shovel into a project you can knock out before lunch. Third up, let's talk about the clutter in your garage. This heavy-duty storage rack system is the real deal. Most racks you buy are flimsy and start sagging the second you put a few power tools on them. These are engineered for weight. They feature adjustable brackets that let you customize the layout for everything from bulky gear cases to awkward long-handled tools. It's all about reclaiming your floor space. When your shop is organized, your brain is organized, and you get more projects finished. All right, let's keep that momentum going. Next on the list is Kaiweets, a brand that's been absolutely crushing it lately for guys who need pro-grade testing gear without the ridiculous price tag. Their digital multimeters and clamp meters are incredibly intuitive, with bright, high-contrast displays that are easy to read even in a dim garage. Whether you're troubleshooting a rogue electrical circuit or checking the health of a battery, this gear gives you the accuracy you need to be confident in your work. It's professional-grade diagnostic power at a fraction of the cost. Now, if you hate sanding as much as I do, you need to see the Easy Curve sander. This thing is a revelation for anyone tackling furniture or odd-shaped trim. Traditional sanders are flat, which means they love to gouge corners or miss the curves entirely. This sander uses a flexible backing pad that contours perfectly to whatever shape you're working on. It's a complete game changer for finishing chairs, banisters, or anything that isn't a perfect, boring square. No more hand sanding for hours just to get into those tight radii.
Finally, for this set, we're leveling up your fastening game with a high-torque impact wrench. Forget the wimpy versions. This is for breaking loose those rusted, seized lug nuts that have been sitting on your truck for years. It delivers massive amounts of torque in a compact package that's easy to handle. If you do your own automotive work or heavy equipment maintenance, this is non-negotiable. It doesn't just speed up your workflow, it saves you from the frustration of a project grinding to a halt because of one stubborn nut. Next up, if you're tired of grid instability or you're prepping for the ultimate off-grid setup, you need to check out the Wedge generator. These guys have built a cult following for a reason. They offer rock-solid power output that's surprisingly quiet. Whether you're running a suite of power tools at a remote job site or keeping the fridge and lights humming during a storm, this generator is the reliable workhorse you want in your corner. It's efficient, easy to start, and puts out clean power that won't fry your expensive, sensitive electronics. Moving on to some high-level engineering, critical connection undercut anchors. If you're anchoring heavy machinery or structural elements into concrete, you know that standard expansion bolts can fail under vibration. These anchors are a different beast. They create a mechanical lock inside the concrete, meaning they don't rely just on friction. If you're building something that absolutely needs to stay put, like a heavy-duty workbench or a wall-mount gym rack, this is the professional-grade hardware you use to make sure it doesn't budge, ever. Rounding out this set, let's talk framing speed, the XR Nailer Stapler. You've seen the guys on the job site flying through framing, and this is their secret. It's got deep drive depth adjustment, so you aren't constantly messing with your air pressure to get your fasteners flush. It's fast, it's reliable, and it eliminates the headache of having to hammer in nails that the tool left sitting proud. When you're framing a wall, this tool saves you hours of physical labor, letting you keep that rhythm and finish the job before the sun goes down.
We're in the final stretch, and we've saved some of the best for last. First, the Makita OBO 381 18-volt LXT finishing sander. If you want that glass-smooth finish on your woodworking projects, this is the machine that makes it happen. It's got a super low-profile design that makes it incredibly stable, so you aren't dealing with that annoying vibration that makes your hands go numb after 10 minutes. It's light, it's quiet, and the dust collection actually works, which is a miracle in its own right. It's the professional standard for a reason. Next, we have the Makita 18-volt brushless pruning shears. If you've spent a day in the yard hacking away at thick branches, your hands are probably toast. These shears make heavy-duty pruning look like magic. You just squeeze the trigger and the blades snap through branches like they're nothing. No wrist strain, no blisters, just clean surgical cuts. It's the ultimate tool for keeping your yard looking sharp without feeling like you've been through a boxing match. Third in this round is the Works Jaw Saw. This is basically a mini chainsaw, but it's designed with a totally enclosed chain, meaning it's way safer than a standard chainsaw for clearing brush or bucking logs. The jaw design lets you grab the branch, pull the trigger, and let the tool do the cutting, while the teeth are shielded from hitting the ground, which keeps the chain sharp way longer. It's the perfect tool for guys who need to clear storm debris or process firewood quickly and safely. We are closing out with these last few, and man, you don't want to miss these. First up, the Knuckle Saver. We've all been there. You're cranking a wrench in a tight engine bay, your hand slips, and bam, you're bleeding all over the garage floor. This simple, genius extension tool offsets your hand from the working area while still giving you full leverage. It's one of those "how did I ever work without this" tools that saves your skin and keeps your project moving instead of stopping for a first aid kit. Next, the staircase platform. If you've ever tried to paint a stairwell or swap out a light fixture over a set of stairs, you know it feels like a death trap. This platform adjusts to the uneven steps, giving you a solid, level surface to stand on, so you aren't balancing on your toes or trying to rig up a dangerous scaffold. It turns a job that normally requires a second person holding the ladder into a one-man show that's actually safe. Safety isn't boring, guys. It's what keeps you in the game. Finally, we have the caulk gun of the future. Forget those cheap, messy skeleton guns that leak caulk everywhere the second you let go of the trigger. This high-ratio, drip-free gun features an automatic pressure release, meaning the flow stops the instant you stop pulling. Whether you're sealing around a tub or doing professional-grade trim work, you get perfect, smooth lines every single time, without the cleanup headache. There you have it, 30 tools that turn every DIY headache into a win. If you found something that's going to save your back or your sanity, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which one you're grabbing first. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually makes a difference in the shop. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you on the next one.